Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So let's begin the day with amazing meditation.
Breathing deeply in and out, feeling relaxed. Our whole body is relaxed and comfortable. Breathing deeply into your eyebrow space, in and out, turning your attention around, becoming the observer. Breathing into this state of inner being, the observer. Become your inner being. Starting in this space of awareness of all that you are and all that you are becoming. Using the power of your vision, of your mind, of your feelings to create, and the power of your belief, your faith in what you really are to bring life to you. We are going to tell the story of our appreciation. I am so grateful right now. I feel so much appreciation for the wonderful life I am living, for the momentum that is building, for all the things that are around me that I can be grateful for. I feel so grateful to have the awareness of who I really am, to see the truth of life and love. I am so grateful that I can feel my good feelings, that I have enough self-awareness that I can tell the difference between a good feeling and a not so good feeling. I am grateful that I can follow my good feelings to a life of fulfillment. I am grateful that I can slow down enough to hear my inner being, to feel what kind of awareness, to feel what that kind of awareness is like. I love this feeling. I love the feeling of becoming. I am grateful for this feeling. It helps me to see my manifestations made real. I am extremely grateful for all the people in my life. I am grateful for my friends, for my family, for my children. I am grateful for my clients, colleagues, and business associates. I am intensely grateful for my partner, my mother, my father. I am grateful for my inner being's closeness and connection to Source, to all that is, to God. I am grateful that I am finally becoming aware of who and what I really am, and are able to understand my role. The fact that I only need to focus on what feels good, and I will attract all that I need and want to achieve my desires. I am grateful for the flow of ideas and loving thoughts, which are becoming more prevalent in my mind with each day that passes. I am grateful for my good sleep. I am grateful for the days I wake feeling rested and renewed and eager. I understand that if I have days when I don't wake like that, that there is another opportunity the following night. I am grateful to have found my purpose, to understand which direction I am going. And I am grateful for the understanding that if things are happening that are not in perfect alignment, that it is temporary. And the sooner I am able to let go and trust that everything will be okay, the sooner I get back into alignment again. I'm so grateful for this alignment feeling. I'm so grateful for all the signs and signals I get to see along the way, which assist me in knowing. I'm incredibly grateful for my body, for my abilities, skills, and talents, for my awareness of my thinking, for my awareness of my feeling. I am grateful for the abundance that flows continually into my life. I am grateful for the wonderful creations that are becoming and how they are proof to me that I am a magnificent being and I can create my reality. I am so grateful for the moments when I see others who are aware too, and the synergy we feel together as we both expand with moments of shared awareness. I am so grateful for that moment when we say in our hearts, I see you. I am grateful to you for listening. And I thank you for your openness. Breathing deeply in and out.
So yes, today we would be doing another round of EFT. So Mahima is here to guide us through EFT session.
Okay, good morning, everyone. So today we'll be doing another EFT on money. So a lot of you wanted different EFTs, somebody for weight, somebody for relationships, and I was trying to figure what we'll do. Of course, we cannot do everything, and the best way to do in a public platform, when public as in on a huge platform which is common to all. Weight is not common to all, relationship is not common to all, so health is also not common to all because everybody would have different health needs. So I'll just give you an example. The easiest way for you to start right now, अगर आपको start करना है, तो आप सिर्फ जो अपने affirmations होते हैं, you only do your affirmations while doing EFT. That's it. So you can easily find there can't be a common EFT to cover many problems because of course you'll have to उतना तो आपको वर्क करना ही पड़ेगा. So जैसे आज मनी के लिए कर रहे हैं तो मनी का कॉमन हो जाएगा. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि something else will apply to me or something else will apply to Nikhil or to somebody else. So it is common. Similarly, health will also be common to a few people, but it cannot be like कि एक ही EFT में सब कुछ आ जाए. और अगर है भी ऐसा तो वो थोड़े एडवांस लेवल पे जाके पता चलेगा. अभी यू कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ इट एज कि अब मैंने एक ही EFT किया और हो गया. सो थोड़ा मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा, राइट? So you can easily find any kind of EFT that you want for any single thing that you're looking for very specifically. You can look on YouTube, you can search on Google, and you can do it. But and the best thing about EFT is you cannot go wrong with it. जो भी आपको जैसा भी करवा रहा है, जो भी टीचर है, आप जिससे भी कर रहे हैं गूगल पे, यूट्यूब पे, यू जस्ट कैन नॉट गो रॉन्ग विद इट. सो प्लीज डोंट वरी अबाउट द प्रोसेस. जैसे मैंने बताया था, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द कराटे चॉप पॉइंट एंड वी एंड हियर. दैट इज द मेन थिंग. एंड अगर कोई वो भी नहीं कर रहा है तो इट वुड बी अ डिफरेंट टेक्निक. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट getting it right. So I would need all of your videos to be on just to see if you are doing right or not. And of course, it's good to see your pretty faces in the morning. आप जैसे भी लग रहे हैं, अभी अभी जैसे भी उठे हैं, इट डजंट मैटर। आप जो जैसे भी लग रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं। दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ लव you should have for yourself at any point of the day. Yes. So let's start. We'll be doing an EFT of money. Just settle down. Everybody just sit in front of your screen. Take a deep breath and see how you're feeling. Take a few deep breaths. Give yourself a number from 1 to 10. 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. कि आपको मनी के एरिया में कैसा लग रहा है? How much, like how happy are you with the money that you have right now? If you're earning, if you're not earning, doesn't matter. But how happy are you? Take a deep breath again. We have Rajan sir also with us. Good morning, sir. Take another deep breath. And one last deep breath. And feel, how do you feel about money? It's okay, however you feel, doesn't matter. If it's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 6, doesn't matter. Chalo, open your eyes. Take your hand like this. Okay, this is the karate chop point. And keep tapping. Okay, you can tap with 1 finger, 2 finger, all the 4 finger, doesn't matter. And don't tap very hard कि आपको दुखने लग जाए, और एकदम slow भी नहीं, थोड़ा सा normal tap. Okay, let's start. Even though my relationship with money might not be the best, I completely love and accept myself. Even though my relationship with money might not be the best, I completely love and accept myself. Even though my relationship with money might not be the best, I completely love and accept myself. So today we're going to be doing only positive affirmations about money. Okay, so I am a money magnet. You can use one hand or both hands, up to you. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money is my friend. I am made for money. I love money. On the collarbone. Money loves me. 3 or 4 inches below your elbow. Okay, elbow nahi, underarm, sorry. Yeah, money is easy. Money comes to me easily. I am made for money. I know how to use money the divine helps me in making the best use of money. Now try to put much more emotion in your statements, okay? I have so much gratitude for money. Money is my friend. I love money. I might even start becoming a money magnet. I am generating so much love, so much gratitude for all the money in the world. Everything I have is because of money. I am so proud of all the money that I have. I feel so blessed for everything that I can do because of the money, for all the money that I have earned or gained. And I am super excited for all the money that's coming into my life. I attract money. I attract money. I attract money. I am always attracting money. Money is attracted to me. I am a money magnet. I attract money. Money comes to me through expected and unexpected sources. Wherever I go, I become a super magnet for money. I automatically have the knowledge how to have more money in my life. The divine has always guided me to make more and more money all my life. I am starting to feel like a money magnet. I'm starting to feel I'm always attracting a lot of money. I am ready for the abundant flow of money coming to me. I am ready to accept a lot of money in my life. I am ready for all the amazing things that money can do. I am ready to give out a lot of money in life. I am ready to use money in the most magical ways. I make good use of money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me whenever I want, how much ever I want. I am a good conductor of money. I handle money well. I'm starting to feel like I am a money magnet. I am ready for the abundant flow of money in my life. I can see money coming to me. I am a true money magnet. I am a true money magnet. I am a magnet for money. I am a money magnet. I am a magnet for money. I am a magnet for money. I am a magnet for money. I am open to receive abundance of prosperity, of money, of gratitude, abundance of all that I want fulfilled. I am open to receive abundance of money and prosperity. I am a money magnet. And today, on top of your head, I completely, on top of your head, please, I completely and wholly love, honor, adore, support, admire, and accept myself. Now push this a little down, push the energies down. These are very powerful energies. Okay, these are very sacred energies. Close your eyes for an entire 1 minute and feel how you're feeling. Just feel. Keep breathing normally and just feel. Okay. If you have water near you, please have a sip of water. If not, it's absolutely okay. Are you already feeling like half of your problems are solved? Money has come to you already, and a lot of your problems have already been solved. So we have opened the platform and you can share how you're feeling. Just have water first, please. We'll not get into details. So having water is water is the element that controls your emotions. So however you're feeling right now, like I can't get into the depth of it.
Myself feeling very nice, very nice. I can't express things in my words, but it really definitely very nice.
That's amazing. Amazing. Please don't unmute yourself if you don't have anything to say.
Thank you, Mahima ji.
Yes. Thank you, Abhilasha
Thank
ji.
you so much. मेरे को तो लग रहा है मेरे ऊपर धन का बारिश ही हो रहा है.
Yes, definitely हो रहा है.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so there's a question. Dilip Kumar ji, do you want to say something?
Yes, sir. It is abundance of money, man.
Yes, always.
बारिश हो रही है.
बारिश हो रही है. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Rajan, as Rajan say always say, sir, please say something.
Oh yes, the abundance of money coming to me from all the direction. पैसे की तो बारिश हो रही है और याद रखना जहां खोदता हूँ सोना निकालता हूँ.
सर पे तो एक्चुअली
जहां
बारिश
पर भी
होती है ना, इसलिए सर के
जहां खोदता हूँ सोना निकालता हूँ. And money is coming from all the direction. It is, I'm just attracted to money, and I love money. Money
Wow.
is yummy. Always, money is yummy, and I deserve the best. I deserve the best. Thank you so much. Mahima, it was amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Always, always. So Bob Doyle. So let me share with you something about. Okay, so let me share. Can I share something here
Sure,
Of
sir.
course,
on
sir.
EFT?
This is your platform.
Yeah. Thank you. So EFT is one of. So now let me. मैं आपको सबको समझा रहा हूँ. ये EFT होता क्या है? Okay. So let us go to the science of EFT. EFT जो है, अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने कहा था, we are all energy. Okay. So we are all energy. This one statement you'd never forget. We are all energy. Number one statement. Number two statement, energy attracts like energy. Energy जो है attracts like energy. तो हम जैसे जो भी एनर्जी हैं, because I am an energy, you are an energy. ये सोफा is an energy, this mobile phone is an energy, this table is an energy, this fan is an energy, these walls are an energy, everything is energy. Okay. So एक स्टेप फर्दर जाता हूं. ऑल एनर्जी मतलब जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये जो सोफा है, दैट इज आल्सो एन एनर्जी वाइब्रेटिंग एट अ पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी. मतलब इसको अगर हम वो माइक्रोस्कोप में देखेंगे, द लास्ट पार्ट इज एन एटम, एक छोटा सा एटम है. तो मेरा भी जो लास्ट पार्ट है इज कॉल्ड एज एन एटम. ओके. सो आई एम आल्सो एनर्जी, ये सोफा भी एनर्जी है. अब सोफा में और मेरे में क्या फर्क है? The sofa is vibrating at a particular frequency. The sofa is vibrating at a particular frequency, but it cannot change the frequency. उसकी frequency same रहेगी. जबकि मेरी frequency जो है, individual human beings की frequency जो है, we can change. कभी मुझे गुस्सा आता है, कभी मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Sometimes I'm feeling satisfied. Sometimes I'm feeling angry. Sometimes I'm feeling thankful. Sometimes I'm appreciating people. So my energy keeps on changing. Okay. Because we are all energy. And now, as per मेरी जैसी frequency रहेगी, मेरी जो energy रहेगी, मेरा जो dominant thought रहेगा, whatever is my dominant thought, according to my dominant thought, I will attract events, people and circumstances into my life. Okay. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? Now, ये जो EFT टेक्निक क्या यूज कर रही है, उसका जो फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल है वो ये है कि देयर आर एनर्जी पॉइंट्स इन अवर बॉडी. हमारे बॉडी में एनर्जी पॉइंट्स है, तो हमारे बॉडी में भी एनर्जी फ्लो हो रही है. इट इज फ्लोइंग. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ अवर थॉट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ अवर एक्सपीरियंसेस, बिकॉज ऑफ अवर बिलीफ, दिस एनर्जी इज गेटिंग ब्लॉक्ड. This energy is getting blocked. Why? Because of our experiences. हमारे पास्ट में पैसे को लेके अच्छे एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहे. For our health we did not have good experience. Because of our thoughts, जो हमारी सोच रहती है पैसे के बारे में कि I do not deserve. How many of you all feel guilty when you spend money? Do you feel guilty sometimes that when you spend money, अरे यार फालतू का खर्चा किया, I don't need to spend, मेरा तो चल जाता है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है मुझे, चलो कुछ भी खा लिया, मेरा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Because I do not deserve. I feel that I do not deserve. So this is a blockage, right? So your belief, your feelings, your thoughts, your experiences are creating blockages about the abundance coming into your life. So now, Bob Doyle करके जो एक राइटर था, वेल्थ बियॉन्ड रीजन, वहां पर उसने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दिया है टू दिस टेक्निक कॉल्ड एज द EFT टेक्निक. EFT टेक्निक क्या करते हैं कि हमारे जो बॉडी के जो एनर्जी पॉइंट्स हैं, सो वी हैव गॉट, उन्होंने कुछ आइडेंटिफाई किया, देयर आर सम 9 एनर्जी पॉइंट्स, और उसको टैपिंग करने से आपका एनर्जी का फ्लो अच्छा हो जाता है. आई रिपीट, देयर आर 9 एनर्जी पॉइंट्स जो उन्होंने आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं, जहां पर टैप करने से आपका जो एनर्जी है वो स्मूथ हो जाता है, इट बिकम्स पॉजिटिव। तो वो क्या करते हैं, ये ईएफटी टेक्निक में दिस इज वन ऑफ द ओनली टेक्निक्स जहां यू आर अलाउड टू यूज अ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट। ये एक ही टेक्निक्स है जहां पर, क्योंकि एट टाइम्स आवर माइंड डज नॉट बिलीव। तो पहले देखो शुरुआत कैसे किया आज महिमा ने, फर्स्ट जो टैपिंग किया था चॉप पॉइंट के ऊपर, वहां पर उन्होंने बोला कि भाई आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड अबाउट मनी। शुरुआत वहां से की। जैसे कि मैंने मेरी मम्मी को करा रहा था, मैंने मेरी मम्मी को कैसे कराया कि टुडे मतलब मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, मैं चल नहीं पा रही हूँ, ठीक है, वैसा मैंने शुरुआत कराया। बट दैट इज ओनली वन स्टेटमेंट, और उसको ज्यादा फीलिंग्स नहीं देना, ओके। और अब उसके बाद का जो प्रोसेस उन्होंने शुरू कराया वो अबंडेंस का कराया, थैंकफुलनेस का कराया, फॉरगिवनेस का कराया, एक्सेप्टेंस का कराया। नाउ यू कीप ऑन टैपिंग विद पॉजिटिव थिंग्स। जैसे लोहा लोहे को मारता है, तो उन्होंने ये स्टार्ट किया ऑल नेगेटिव से। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज जनरली नेगेटिव, इफ यू डोंट बी नेगेटिव दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन। बट जो भी आपका प्रॉब्लम है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप हेल्थ के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो यू स्टार्ट विद अ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी, आई हैव गॉट लेस, मतलब आई फील कि मेरे में गलत, मतलब एनर्जी का लेवल कमती है। And then you start doing positive tapping, positive affirmations, positive talks, and you keep on tapping. ये है हमारे एनर्जी पॉइंट, these are all our energy point, these are all।
So
और
can
ये
I
जो कॉलर बोन का जो पॉइंट है, ओके नाउ प्लीज एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड, काफी लोगों को क्लैरिटी नहीं आई है। कॉलर बोन इज, ये जो कॉलर बोन है वहां से 1 इंच नीचे ऑन द आउटसाइड, मतलब मैं नॉर्मली आई यूज बोथ माय हैंड्स, अभी आई एम होल्डिंग द मोबाइल विद वन हैंड, okay let me show you this energy point, so don't do the mistake of this energy point। now this energy point, ये जो आपका कॉलर बोन है, okay 1 inch outside, so here, so do like this, ये कॉलर बोन है, everybody कॉलर बोन and 1 inch outside, so this is the point। I mean don't ज्यादा फिर उसके आगे पीछे कुछ उसमें वो नहीं है, these are all our energy points, so 1 inch outside your collar bone here, so keep on tapping, this is the energy point। And जो लास्ट पॉइंट था, तो you can do it with one hand or you can do it with both the hands। so normally I would, this is my experience, मतलब मेरा है, this is how, whatever you are doing is right, I try to use both my hands, कि जब मैं कर ही रहा हूँ, जब मैं कर ही रहा हूँ, तो why not use my both my hands, so it is always better to use both your hands। ये आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं, दिन में 2-3 बार 4 बार करते जाओगे, you will get amazing results। महिमा ने जब ये प्रैक्टिस की थी, तो शी हैड गॉट अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स उसके वर्कशॉप में। बॉब डोएल जो है, उसने उसकी किताब में लिखा है, जहां पर वो लोगों से लाखों रुपए लेते हैं, और जब वो वर्कशॉप में ये सब कराते हैं, तो दे हैव गॉट अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स। कितनी देर करना है, देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग, यू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो, जस्ट गो ऑन टैपिंग, 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, ये करने से आपका जो, सी आई टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंस। अभी मैं आपको एकदम दूसरा साइंस समझाता हूँ। हमारा दिमाग जो है हमेशा सोचता रहता है, थॉट कीप्स ऑन कमिंग इन अवर माइंड। दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू डाइवर्ट योर माइंड, दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू थिंक पॉजिटिव। सिंपल टेक्निक्स हैं, एंड बाय टैपिंग यू आर रेगुलराइजिंग, आप अपने बॉडी की जो एनर्जीज हैं उसको पॉजिटिव में लेके जा रहे हैं। So this is the total science of EFT technique, emotional freedom technique।
So I'll just
EFT
correct
technique।
2 things.
Okay।
Yes. So when we are tapping here, no, when we are starting here, उसका मीनिंग ये होता है कि आज जैसे EFT बहुत सारी चीजों के लिए होता है, but this is directly related to our subconscious mind, okay? Not getting into details, but आप ये समझ जाइए कि जब हम ये स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, तो हम एक सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को मैसेज भेज रहे हैं कि टुडे आई वांट टू डू दिस। अब वो नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव हो, डजंट मैटर। एंड ऑनेस्टली EFT is all about removing your blocks. तो जितना नेगेटिव आप बोल सकते हैं ना, उतना अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि वो निकलेगा आपकी बॉडी में से. तो आई स्टार्टेड विद दिस नेगेटिव थिंग. तो आप पॉजिटिव से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं कि आई एम अ मनी मैन, बस से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. बट बेसिकली जिस चीज के लिए आप कर रहे हैं ना, वो स्टार्ट है आपको आपको सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को वो मैसेज भेजना है यहाँ से, ठीक है. सो 3 टाइम्स इसलिए वो स्टार्ट करते हैं, एंड यहाँ करते हैं. सेकेंड थिंग, both hands से करना, like Rajan sir is comfortable doing with both hands because he feels कि ज्यादा होता है. वैसे ही you can do either with one hand or both hands. अगर आपको ज्यादा feel आता है then do with both hands. Very good. But it's not a compulsion. Like you have the liberty to do how you like, right? So that is the liberty you have in EFT. So please continue. I just wanted to say this.
Yes. So as I said, this is, you can do it with one hand. You can do it with both the hand. This is like my preference. I would like to tap my, मतलब अभी जब मैं कर ही रहा हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि क्यों ना मैं दोनों हाथों से कर लूं. That was the thought. So this is my, I said, but you can do it with one hand or you can do it with both hands. And always I said, you start with a negative emotion, क्योंकि उस negative emotions को बाहर निकालना है हमारी बॉडी से. वो जो ब्लॉकेज है हमारे माइंड के अंदर कि भाई मेरे पापा को डायबिटीज है, मुझे भी डायबिटीज. सो नाउ दिस इज वन ब्लॉकेज. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद दैट एंड देन आई विल keep on adding my positivity. So this is how we create abundance. This is how we unblock the blockages. Okay. So can we do the affirmation today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Of
Yes.
course.
Okay. So let's start. आज का affirmation है I am faith. Okay. So everybody please repeat. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको आप लोगों ने भी रिपीट करना है. और याद रखना, अफर्मेशंस जो हैं उसमें जब तक आपको एहसास नहीं होगा, जब तक आपको फीलिंग्स नहीं आएगी, it will not work. So you have to feel what you are saying and you have to keep on repeating. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ slowly बोलूंगा and everybody has to repeat. I love the fact that so many people have faith in me. I love the fact that so many people have faith in me. I attract faithful people. I attract faithful people. I believe in my dreams. मुझे मेरे सपनों पे विश्वास है. I am in charge of my own happiness. मैं मेरी खुशी का खुद जिम्मेदार हूँ. I have faith in myself. I have faith in myself. मुझे खुद पे बहुत भरोसा है. मुझे अपने आप पे बहुत भरोसा है. I trust that I am on the right path. मैं सही रास्ते पे चल रहा हूँ. उस पर मुझे बहुत भरोसा है. I have faith in God. मुझे भगवान पे बहुत भरोसा है. I have faith in God's timing. I have faith in God's timing. भगवान जो जब कर रहा है वो सही है. I trust life. I trust life. जिंदगी के ऊपर मुझे बहुत भरोसा है. I do not let doubt or fear derail my faith or outlook on life. मैं कहीं पर भी कोई डाउट नहीं करता या मैं डरता नहीं हूँ. मेरा जो फेथ है मेरी जिंदगी के ऊपर वो अटूट है. Every day I bless my dreams. I am accomplishing my dreams. Wow. Today I am more wiser, matured, and experienced than ever. Today I am more matured, more wiser, more experienced than ever. I have a promising future. मेरा फ्यूचर बहुत बढ़िया है. I have a promising future. Wow. I am committed to believing that the best is yet to come. I am committed to believing that the best is come. मेरा जो सबसे अच्छा टाइम है वो आने वाला है. Wow. And I am so happy. I have a promising future. I have a promising future. I am committed to believing that the best is yet to come. I am thankful to all the faithful people in my life for their support and integrity. मेरी जिंदगी में जितने भी अच्छे लोग, जितने फेथफुल लोग जो आए हैं, उन सब का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. I choose faith over fear. I choose faith over fear. I am truly grateful to all the properties and investment for the profit. मेरे जिंदगी में जितना भी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, जो मुझे बहुत सारा सपोर्ट दे रही है, धन दे रही है, हैप्पीनेस दे रही है, सेटिस्फैक्शन दे रही है. वाओ, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल माय प्रॉपर्टीज. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, मेहरबानी. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू फॉर द फेथ. थैंक यू. आई एम फेथ. आई एम फेथ. मुझे जिंदगी के ऊपर भरोसा. यस, थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you. So let's celebrate. So let's celebrate this wonderful new day. Let's celebrate this wonderful new session. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
See you
sir.
all tomorrow. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mahima.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil.
Thank you, Mahima.
Thank you, Mahima.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.